So I just wanted to make a quick video on bypassing the cooled function on the ZL1 seats, which I believe also could correlate with the 2SS seats, I believe, because I believe those also have the cooled function. So if you are taking the ZL1 or a comparable seat, I think the 2SS, and putting it into something that does not have the required ECU or HVAC function, as in like the stock ZL1 Camaro would have, you cannot just apply 12 volts and get this motor to start going. So what you do have to do, which isn't super hard, or other than this option I'm going to give you, you are going to have to buy, there's a little kit you could buy off of, I forget whatever company it is, but so you will need a toggle switch, you will need a DC motor controller, you will then need some form of connector. I'm using 3-pin, and then I'm using 22 gauge 3-wire. What you're gonna have to do, and I'm not necessarily gonna put this all on video, but I'll tell you. So this is the passenger seat. Up here you have, off of this connector, I've already taken it out, you have a purple and white wire. You kind of can't see, purple and white. This is your signal wire that controls both of the fans. So this fan and then the fan on the back side, right? You then have your main ground, which is, one second. So your main ground is, or neutral, whatever you want to call it, is this pin right here. Let's see if I can get a little pointer for you. So, let's see if I can do this one-handed. I kind of can't, hold on. So your main neutral ground, whatever you want to call it, is this pin right here. You have your main power, and then the power for the HVAC cooled system in the seat is this pin right here. This is the passenger seat. I don't necessarily know about the driver's seat yet, but maybe I'll put it in another video. So what you're gonna have to do is give your connector main power, and then main neutral, main ground, and then you're gonna have to give power to that pin there, which is the power to the fans themselves. And then this wire here is your signal, which is what you're going to run your signal wire, which is this blue one, off of the DC motor controller, right? So you would hook up neutral, power, you would put your switch in between the power of the motor, and then obviously, you know, the switch into power. And then this is going to run to your signal wire, which is what actually turns on these fans. So it's not super complicated. It takes a little bit of tinkering, and I couldn't find any video on the internet that kind of explained what you needed to get these cooled seats to work, obviously without having an actual Camaro ECU and a, seat button for cooled and heat. I don't know what the heat function is. I'm not going to figure it out because I live in Florida and I will never use heated seats. But if you want the cooled seats to work in these and you don't have a Camaro, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to put something in the comments. If this helped you, a like would be great. Hopefully that's short and sweet enough. Maybe once it's all done, I'll actually make either a second video of it actually being wired together, or I'll make a second part to this video, but I guess you'll find out if that ever happens because the video will be longer than 5 minutes. But there you go. That's how you get the cooled functions to work in the ZL1 or I think the 2SS seats without having a Camaro. Thanks.